Morning everyone, happy Friday. I'm Cindy again. Are you experiencing dry throat, cracked lip, or dry skin, or even bloody nose, dry cough? All the symptoms are telling you that the air around you is too dry. Here we have a humidifier which could help you release the symptoms. So this humidifier is able to moisturize the air around you. In other words, moisturize your lip, throat, or skin, and help release the chance to have a cough, bloody nose, or eczema. Okay, look at the design of this humidifier. It's cute and fashionable, and it could be change the color and set the time to turn off. Okay, let me show you. Okay, open it and put some waters in. Okay, you could also put some essential oil, which could help you relax and healing when you feel tired and stressed. Okay, power this. Turn this on. The light's coming up and the mints. Okay, yeah, the mint is coming up, and after a while it will be all over the room. Okay, I think that looks nice and the color is changing automatically. Alright, this is today's live. Hope you guys like it. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.